Hi guys, I'm going to Minot, North Dakota, and this is all the stuff I'm bringing with me. I'm going camping and I'm going to an hotel. So I want to make sure that I have everything packed up so I can have a good trip. Okay, so all the items I chose is specific for me. For sure, it depends what you want to bring, and also depending what kind of lifestyle you have. If you're making video content, make sure you have your tripod with you and all your gear, and especially your microphone if you want to record on your trip. So I'm not going backpacking, so I'm doing a bit of a travel that it's more like comfortable travel. So I'm just bringing a duffel bag. I don't want a backpack that is awkward and I cannot take my stuff from the backpack. So at first I wanted to take my Osprey backpack, but I decided, you know what, I don't have enough space and I want something that it's reachable. And I talked to my boyfriend about it, and you know what, he was like, I'm just gonna bring a duffel bag, it's just easier. Sometimes you just need something that it's more accessible for whatever you want to do. So you know what, I'm just gonna bring a duffel bag and that's about it. So every stuff I chose, it depends what kind of activities you want to do. If you want to go swimming, make sure you have your bathing suit ready. If you're a girl, don't forget to have the two pieces. And I brought a hat. Always need my hat, especially a cap. I prefer to just bring a cap because sometimes I have like big straw hats and it's just awkward to bring with me and I don't know where to put it if I don't have it on my head. I like to game, so I'm a big gamer. I brought my little mini video game. I don't know how you call it, but anyways, I bought it on Amazon and it's pretty cool. You can play Mario on it or whatever Nintendo 64 game you want to play is on there. You have PS1, PS2. It's pretty awkward on the fingers because it's so small, but still, it's still fun and I like it. I used to do camping a lot when I was a child, and I remember like I used to bring my Game Boy Advance everywhere with me and it was so fun. So I want to do the nostalgia going on camping and playing like old video games. I don't want to bring the Nintendo Switch with me. I'm like, you know what? I don't want it. I want to bring the old style type of video games. So we're just gonna zoom in and we can see what is going on the table. So these are my shoes that I'm bringing. I want a pair of shoes that I can put with any outfit. And for now, the style, fashion-wise, is more, you know what, we're gonna wear jogging shoes and it's white because it goes with everything. So I'm gonna bring those. I can wear dresses, whatever I want, and still be fashionable. So these are a go-to. And my feet are not gonna hurt. I'm gonna bring a pair of sandals. I bring those because they're so comfortable. And these are elastic straps, so it's pretty comfy. Skechers sandals are pretty good. And I'm bringing these. So these are my hiking shoes. These are my Saucony shoes. They're pretty good. I really love them. They are for narrow feet. So depending if you have a wide feet, maybe you can buy the New Balance one instead or another brand. But these are my go-to shoes if I'm going somewhere that it's pretty rocky or in the mountains, or I want to do something more extreme and I want some grip. I always bring those. They're really comfortable. And a regular pair of flip-flops. So these are my sandals that I'm bringing to go to the washroom at the camping site. I prefer to use those in the washroom because we're sharing with other people and I don't know where their feet went. So you know what, I'm just gonna bring those. I'm bringing this bag. It's a waterproof bag and you can roll it and put your stuff in it. And it's just the best if it's raining heavily or you're going somewhere that you need to swim, bring this in the car because I always have like horrible neck pain. A battery pack, it's super important to bring a battery pack. It's all charged up. I charged it yesterday night and it's full, so it's perfect. Bras and socks. I always use packing cubes. For me, it's just easier and I can see what's going on in my bag. Underwears in a packing cube. Toothbrush. I always bring some deodorant, obviously. A lipstick, some dental floss. I always bring a kit for my nails and a tweezer just in case I need to trim those. Sometimes it can be like a pain if you don't have those tools. The wipes for my face. I always bring those hormonal creams. Pajamas. I always bring cozy, like fluffy pajamas. Especially if I'm going camping, I don't want to be cold. One light pajamas with shorts and a t-shirt. So I have something more light. I brought a one piece. This is the first dress. It's a short one. Because it's a short one, I always bring a little pair of shorts to wear with those. So a small pair of shorts, like legging shorts, so I can put underneath. So this is the second dress. So this one is long, and it's light. It's not too hot. It's a light dress and it's the best for the summer. So I always bring one long dress and a short dress. These are long pants. They are light. And when you wear them, it's pretty cool. Like you don't feel like you're dying from the hotness outside. Multiple shirts. I always bring small tank tops, different colors. Those ones are two random tank tops, the long ones. So a white and a black. It's pretty neutral. You can wear it with anything. And these are crop tops. I just love to wear those. This one is not too bulky, so it's pretty light. And if I'm like kind of cold but not too hot, I can wear this. So one pair of shorts, one pair of long leggings, black ones, because I can wear it with anything. If you're going traveling somewhere, I recommend bringing one pair of black leggings. It can go with anything and you can wear it anytime. So it's pretty much something you need to bring. One t-shirt. This one is really light and it's for summer and material is pretty breathable, so I'm gonna bring this one. A pair of fuzzy socks, so my feet are not cold going camping, and even in the hotel at night I prefer to have one pair of fuzzy socks just in case. These are the towels that I'm bringing. I have two towels. I prefer to have two of them because of my long hair and for my body, just in case. It dries faster, that's why I'm bringing those. And this one is actually a scarf. It's a Turkish scarf, and those one you can use them for different things. You can wear them, you can use them at the beach and put it on the ground so you can sit on it. And you can actually like use it for a bathroom towel. I always bring something for my eyes because I always have dry eyes. I recommend bringing this. Even if you don't have this issue, it's pretty good. If you have something randomly going into your eye, it can happen a lot when you're traveling. Insect repellent wipes. I won't bring like the actual bottle, it's just easier to bring the wipes. So I'm bringing those just in case we have some insect on us at camping. I always bring a poncho if it's raining and I need something really fast just to make sure I'm not all wet. Earplugs, just in case there's a lot of noise at the camping site. I will just bring the actual full pack of it, just in case. Even if you have like one set of those, it can disappear so fast that you're just like where is it, and you try to find it and it's late at night and you don't see anything. So I recommend just bring all of it just in case. I always bring like a survival kind of kit with Advils, everything, anything that you think that maybe you will need at some point if you're sick. I have like cold and flu medication. You never know, like band-aids, just in case. I always bring these because I have like a lot of issues just sleeping. I always bring some oil to put on my hair to protect it. Or if I'm washing it, I'm putting this afterwards, but oil is always going everywhere in my backpack. So what I do, I put it in a empty bottle of plastic so it doesn't go everywhere on my clothes in my backpack. I will bring some headphones. I bought them on Amazon. They're pretty good and the price is decent. So these are the Soundcore P20i. They're pretty good. I like these. A charger for my phone. Like teas for people who has a hard time digesting lactose. Laundry. So what I do every time I'm going on a road trip in a car, I always bring a small backpack to put on my back, and I just put my electronics in it, in my books, and my drawing stuff to draw or take some notes. My Insta360 is going there, my random cables that I need, my charging packs,